Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. I was just going to jump on here real quick. I was looking on Walmart website and I found a real good deal. I don't know how long it's going to last. There's only 6 left, so I'm going to try to post this for you guys. It's a canoe, a buck canoe for $11.37. Says this is Monday at 9:55. So this is only 6 left, so I have one right here. This is right. It's a buck 389. So I'm gonna do it. This is short, so I can upload it real quick. So I think Amazon. Did see Amazon. It goes for anywhere from 19 to $30. So that's a really good deal. It says it's crossed out 31. That's on clearance. So hopefully I get this uploaded and you guys can see it. All right, take care. Like, share, subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Bye.